Welcome. In today's video, we're diving into a simple yet essential skill for Instagram users. How to copy a page link on Instagram using your PC. With the latest update, this process is easier than ever. So, let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to Instagram.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. If you don't have one yet, go ahead and create an account to unlock all the features Instagram has to offer. Now that you're on the home page, it's time to find the page you want to copy the link from. This could be a friend's profile, a brand you love, or even an influencer you follow. Use the search bar at the top of the page to quickly locate the profile. Just type in the username or name of the account, and you'll see a list of results pop up. Click on the correct profile to open it. Once you're on the desired page, look towards the top right corner of the profile. You'll see 3 dots stacked vertically. Click on these dots, and a menu will appear with various options. From this menu, select Share To. This will open up additional sharing options. It's a straightforward way to share content, but we're interested in something a bit different today. So, after you click on Share To, you'll see another option pop up. Copy Link. Click on this, and just like that, the link to the page is copied to your clipboard. Now, you can paste this link wherever you like, whether it's in a message to a friend, on another social media platform, or even in an email. Simply right-click and select Paste, or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac to insert the link. And there you have it. You've successfully copied a page link on Instagram using your PC. It's quick, easy, and super handy for sharing your favorite accounts with others. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy Instagramming.